My name is Jacob Ruiz. I am originally from California, a city called Rancho Cucamonga, but I also grew up in that same area around Upland, Ontario, and Fontana. It's about 45 minutes east of LA, so I pretty much just usually say I'm from LA because it's the reference point that everyone knows. So this is actually my last class that I need to take to finish my bachelor's degree from BYUI. So 3 more credits and I'm all done. I'm really excited, but still also really excited for the class. I want to get into working with teenagers or that are troubled, maybe who had a bad childhood growing up and ended up in a treatment center, or people with substance abuse. And I want to do this because of some experiences, but I think this class would help because it will help me understand better how they work and how I can better understand and try and help them and try and feel what they're feeling so that I can at least try and relate to them, even if I didn't have those same experiences as they did. Something interesting, I wouldn't say I'm really too interesting, but something interesting or exciting that recently happened was my sister had her first baby, and so he was a boy. Yeah, he was a boy, that's obvious if I said he. But my first nephew, and really excited about it. He's already my favorite person or baby in the world. So that was pretty cool. Something about me seems pretty little boring, but I really love to watch movies. When I get the chance, I'll watch a movie, whether or not it had good or bad ratings. I'll at least give it a shot, unless the ratings are really, really bad. But even then, I'll probably still watch it. I don't really care that they had bad ratings. I just more in it for the entertainment. It can be the most unrealistic movie ever, like the Fast and Furious movies, but I love those movies so much just because they're funny and they have good entertainment. I'm just getting over a little cold, so I'm all itchy on my nose, so excuse me for that. But a couple other things about me. I love to watch sports. I'm a huge Dodgers fan, as you can see. So I was quite disappointed when they lost the World Series, but I'm slowly getting over it. Still a little bitter about it. Um, I like to shoot guns, play sports as well. I like to lift weights and just try and be as healthy as I can be, just based on some past family diseases that I don't really want to get because I want to live as old as I can be. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm looking forward to this class just to learn all the different theories, especially Freud's theories. I really like him, and I personally I think he was right in a lot of what he said, but others might have different opinions. But he's probably one of my favorite figures in psychology. So looking really forward to the class and looking forward to meeting you guys and learning about some of you guys. And forgot to do the pictures, but this is me and my dad right before the World Series. We got all the World Series gear because we were pretty excited. It was the first time that I'd gotten to see my team in the World Series. And then this is me and my sister actually graduated at the same time. Well, I walked. I just had this last class to finish, but that's my brother-in-law in the middle, and this is me from graduation, and this is me and my 2-week-old nephew, and I get to see him tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited about that.